Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video about Cash Building System Unlimited. And I know it's been a while since I've actually put up a video about this opportunity, but I just want to let people know what's going on and that this program is still alive and I'm still actually receiving payments from Cash Building System Unlimited. This is a postcard mailing system that allows you to mail postcards once you have the reseller license to do so. And you're going to make money from the people who actually join this opportunity and decide that they want to stay home and mail postcards for a living. I've now been doing this since 2016, and being a part of postcard mailing systems like this has allowed me to earn a full-time income. And what I'm going to share with you guys is just some proof that this works. I would get on video, but it's late and I look a mess. But what I did was I sent a picture of some of the payments that I received by mail from this company. They do send you payments weekly, sometimes twice a week, depending on how many people you have coming into the system. And what I would like to do is, before I share the information about the system, I want to just give a shout out to the people that have joined. I have the paperwork in front of me. So we have Shanette Johnson from Texas. I just want to say congratulations. Roberta Ford from South Carolina. We have Andrea Davis from Georgia. Sharita Thompson from California. I also have Sean Dreff from Michigan. And we also, last but not least, have Sean again, who has also upgraded to another level. So I received two different payments from him as well. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet gotten your website, please feel free to scroll down and get your website. You're going to need this information. This is very important to have once you are a paid member with Cash Building System Unlimited. You can find that information right here at the description of this video. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, you'll see the information to get your website. This website is going to be able to tell people basically what Cash Building System Unlimited is all about and how to get started. If you have not viewed this video, you want to take your time and view this video. I cannot sit around all day and answer simple questions about the system that's already included in the website. I have a lot of people calling me about just common questions about this site. So please stay till the end of this video so you know exactly how this program works and how to get started. So there's no experience needed. You don't even need a laptop if you want to just do this all offline. I recommend online and offline because even if you are offline promoting this opportunity, the people who are interested will come online to get more information. They will want to go to your website to make sure that this is a reputable opportunity. They will want to know more about what this is all about. And the website basically does the selling and selling for you. So this is the front of the postcard. When you receive your postcards in the mail, you're going to get this directly to the mailing address that you include when you sign up. You're going to have your ID number, and you're going to also get your leads. Your leads go right here. These are people who are looking for a home-based business opportunity. That's who you're going to be promoting this postcard to. Now, on the other side of the postcard has all the information that people are calling me and asking me about. So just pay attention to this. For phase one, to get started, all you need is $50. One-time payment is going to get you 200 leads and 200 postcards. This is going to allow you to collect $25 for each person that signs up personally using your ID number, okay? Everyone gets a unique ID number. This is how they know who to pay according to your ID number. My ID number is 1562. Yours is going to be something different. Okay. Now, when you upgrade, you can upgrade literally right away if you want, or you can wait. I recommend upgrading right away. Why? Because you're going to actually double your postcards and double your leads, and you're going to be able to make more money. So if you come in and you pay $100 additional, and remember, please, you cannot skip phase one. That's like your entry fee. So if you decide you want to come in at phase two, you have to pay phase one first and then upgrade to phase two. Level one is $100. They have a bonus level, which is $300. Then you have level two, which is $500, level three, which is $1,000, and so forth. Based off of what level you come in at, this is how much you're going to make. For each person that comes in directly under you, you're going to make $70 at level one. For level two, any person that comes in under you, you're going to make $350. The person that is your sponsor is going to make this amount. So if you come in through me, this is how much I'm going to receive. This is how much you're going to receive. This is how much the company is going to receive. They are going to send you a check or cash by mail, and you will get this to your P.O. box or your home address. Now, do you need a P.O. box? No. If you feel like your mail at home is not safe enough, you don't have a lock box, you can get a cheap P.O. box. If your mail is locked up, you're not concerned about anyone going through your mail, you can get it sent directly to your house because the mail that you're going to receive is coming directly from the company. Okay. When you join phase one in your welcome packet, you will be able to join upgrade at phase two. If you want to upgrade to phase two, all you have to do is pay here the $50 for phase one, and you can automatically upgrade here by choosing one of these links. One of these links is going to take you directly to a page to check out and pay. Once you pay, it's going to ask you for some additional information so that you are able to get started with this opportunity and get all of the information that you need. Okay. So again, you click on join now. This is going to take you directly to where you need to go to pay. And then it's going to give you additional information for you to send over your mailing address, your email, and your phone number so that we have this information to send your packet. Okay. If you want to join at any level higher than level two, which is level 3 through 8, you need to contact me directly because there's some additional information I need to give to you. Plus, I also would like to speak to members at these levels directly so that you understand what you need to do and we make sure that you have everything that you need. This opportunity is for U.S. residents only. Here is my contact information, which is on the website. When you get your website, it's going to have your picture, your name, your email, your phone number, and your Facebook page. If there's anything here that you don't want, just don't send it and it will not be there. Okay. So this is the page. If you want to get this information and really go through it and find out exactly what it's all about, the link is in the description below this video. Okay. This is going to give you more information on exactly what you get, which is right here. You can go through this. You get your 200 leads, your 200 postcards, membership, discount pricing on stamps, private offline marketing strategies, and you'll have access to the Facebook group. Okay. So this is what you're going to receive, your postcards. You're going to get your leads. They're going to be on peel and stick labels. All you need to do when you get your information is go through it thoroughly, make sure your ID number is correct, make sure you have your leads and your stuff, and then you can get started. I do not recommend starting without a website. If you decide to do so, that's up to you, but I do not recommend it because if people get your information in the mail, they're going to go to the website to get more information, and then they may sign up with someone else because you don't have your website. Okay. Right here, you see, you must complete phase one before you upgrade to any level below. So this is your entry fee. This is where you get started collecting those unlimited $25 payments. This is where you're able to leverage the opportunity and make more money. And then again, if you want to come in at any level higher than that, these are the levels that are available. This is going to give you more bang for your buck. You're going to get additional postcards at these higher levels. And then this is how much you're going to get paid from each person that joins at those higher levels. So I just wanted to let everybody know because I have been receiving payments. I just haven't had the time to put up consistent videos about this opportunity. But yes, it's still work. It's still paying out consistently. I'm happy with the results, and I can't wait for more people to join this opportunity. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.